Hey everyone, I've got some plywood. So doing some more modifications for Carrie's Jeep, and this plywood is going to turn into, don't mind the dirty door, this is what we call our puppy platform. It's removable. You lift it up. These legs are hinged. Here, I'll just do it. They're hinged. It pops out and hangs in the garage when we don't need it. But when we do need it, we've got 3 dogs and we're going on a trip soon. Our first trip this year. We're so excited. Spring is around the corner, as is season 3. Stay tuned. Alright, the platform's cut. That looks ready to go. Need a couple of those legs that fold up. They're 14.5 inches long. So, make a little mark there. Mark there. Throw them on the chop saw. Glasses on. And that's 2. So now we're going to cut the backboard. That's this guy. It's just a 2x4, but it's screwed down to the platform, sits at the back, and it helps keep this thing leveler for the dogs. And then you'll see. So the platform's 52.5 across, door to door. This guy we're going to do it at 52, just to give room for the carpet to be wrapped around and stapled on. And you get this all blown off, get the saw out of the way, and we'll attach this to the platform and then get everything wrapped in carpet, and then after that the legs will be screwed on with hinges once everything's carpeted over, so stay tuned. Okay, so everything's cut. I've got the outdoor carpet ready to go, but first we have to attach this 2x4. This is the back side that sits close to the back of the seat, not all the way up to the edge. It's in about 1.5 inches or so, just because it sits better that way in the seat. And I'm just attaching it by just running 4 2-inch exterior screws through the plywood into the 2x4. Seems to hold up good. Put them on the ends, and then keep going. So this next step, carpeting the big piece, We've got your standard indoor-outdoor 6x8 carpet bought from local hardware store. And if you can find this at Costco, grab it, because it's probably half the price anywhere else. But they didn't have it, so I had to get it elsewhere. That's looking pretty good. Now I'm gonna do the other edge, get that complete, and then we'll roll this thing over, see what we can turn it into. Stay tuned. Well, looks like we're about done. Guess we can go throw it in our Jeep and see how it looks. Okay, looks like we're done. We've got the legs attached. Let's put this guy in there. So again, it goes in like this, straight in, and the other end to carry. Push the back down, legs out, and that's pretty good. You still have room for seats to go forward and backwards. Yeah, so there is some wiggle room there, so that's good. And I think the dogs will love it. And we can even put Cat Stevens' car seat in here, and all three of the dogs will fit.
They're all installed.
Okay, so we installed the Cat's booster seat.
But it's buckled in through the back.
Yeah, it's still seat belted in.
So it's seat belted in down below, underneath the platform, and then the headrest strap is there. His strap for his harness is right here, so he will be completely secure.
And he'll be able to see out the window.
And he has to see out the window. He does not like being able to not see out the window. So it'll be perfect. His face will be right there.
Very good. Well, I hope you liked watching that. It's not too hard of a project, a little bit of time, but and it doesn't cost much at all. So sheet of plywood and then a 2x4 and some screws.
Just
and
make
staples.
sure to give yourself space between the seats though, so you can adjust seats, because when you change drivers, you need to be able to adjust those seats. And if you don't have that, somebody might be having their knees in their face.
Yeah, we got a buddy that's 6'9", and he needs all the room he can get. Thanks for watching. Who's ready to go? Who's ready?
It's bye-bye time.